Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2010 Toyota Tacoma Pre-Runner 4.0 liter automatic. Car came in. The left side turn signal is flashing really fast compared to the right. That's an indication of one of the bulbs, either the front or the back bulb on the left hand side is burnt out. Okay, so this is the right side turn signal that's blinking normally. So the left side is blinking really fast, so we're going to be checking the left side turn signal light bulbs. Okay, so we're on the driver's side rear. This turn signal light bulb is flashing really quick, so you know that's working. So let's go to the front. So this is the driver's side turn signal light. It's not working, so I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb. So the turn signal bulb is located right here, so I'm going to be turning it to the left to pull it out. So now what I'm going to do is bring it out here and change the bulb. So I'm going to be installing this. It's a 4157 NA bulb. So I'm going to be putting on some dielectric grease. Put it in the socket. Okay, so before we put it in, let's make sure that bulb works. So I'm going to turn the car on and turn it to the left side turn signal. Now it's working. Now we can install it. So we're at the driver's side rear. Now the rear turn signal light bulb is blinking normally. Okay, so the left side is blinking normally and the right side is blinking normally. So that's how you replace a left front, driver's side front turn signal light bulb. If you have any questions, comment below. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.